Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Monday, August 25, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Got a long day ahead.
I know, right? I've got a big meeting later today.
Oh, meeting's always fun. Got your coffee yet?
Yeah, just waiting for it to cool a bit. What's new with you?
Same old sales stuff, chasing numbers all day. Hey, did you hear about that big trade deal?
Which one? I've been out of the loop.
The one with the European Union and the US. They're making new rules for trade and tariffs.
Oh, really? That sounds important for business.
Yeah, it's huge for us in sales. More markets mean more chances to sell stuff.
True, but I wonder how it changes project costs. We might need to adjust some plans.
For sure, more work for you, huh? But hey, more sales for me, so I'm happy.
Always thinking about the numbers. Where did you read about this deal?
Saw it on CNN this morning. Big news for 2025, they say.
Nice, I'll check it out later. We need to stay updated on this.
Totally. If we get new clients from Europe, I'm all for it.
Same here. But I hope it doesn't mess up our budgets. International deals can be tricky.
Yeah, tricky for you, easy money for me. Just kidding, I know it's a big deal.
You're funny. Let's see how it plays out in the next few months.
Deal. Hey, speaking of updates, did you see that new tech thing recently?
What tech thing? Tell me more.
Some company launched a new app for team chats. It's supposed to make work super easy.
Oh, interesting. Is it better than the app we use now?
They say it's faster and has cool features. I read about it on the New York Times site.
I like that idea. Managing projects could be smoother with better tools.
Yeah, but I bet it costs a lot. Tech stuff always hits the wallet hard.
Maybe, but saving time is worth it. I'll look into it for my team soon.
Good call. If it works, tell me. Okay, I'm not great with new apps.
Of course, I'll share the info. We can't miss out on something useful.
Thanks. I appreciate that. I don't want to be the last one stuck on old tech.
Don't worry, I've got your back. We'll figure it out together.
Awesome. Hey, if it's too hard, I'm blaming you for wasting my time.
Fair enough. I'll make sure it's easy for you.
Perfect. Oh, one more thing. Did you hear about that new movie release?
No, what movie? I'm curious now.
It's a big comedy with famous actors. Everyone's talking about it on social media.
Oh, nice. I love a good laugh after a busy workday.
Me too. I'm thinking of watching it this weekend. Saw the story on USA Today.
Cool, maybe I'll join you if I'm free. It's been ages since I saw a funny movie.
Deal. Let's plan it. Work's stressful, we need a break like this.
So true. Laughter is the best way to relax after deadlines.
Yeah, better than coffee sometimes. It's like free therapy.
You're right. A good movie can fix a bad day at the office.
Exactly. Hey, speaking of coffee, do you need a refill yet?
Nah, I'm good for now. Thanks though.
No problem. So, back to that trade deal, you think it's really good for us?
I think so, but we need more details. It could mean bigger projects for my team.
Yeah. Bigger projects, bigger headaches for you. I just hope it means more clients for me.
Always the salesman. I'll read up on it after my meeting today.
Do that. I'm curious if it'll change how we price our products.
Good point. Pricing is key, especially with new markets opening up.
Yeah, I don't want to lose deals over high prices. Fingers crossed.
Same here. Let's hope it's a win for both of us.
For sure. Hey, about that app. You think it's hard to learn for someone like me?
Probably not. Most apps are easy these days. I'll test it and let you know.
Thanks. I'm not great with tech stuff. If it's tricky, I'm out.
Don't worry, I'll help you. We can't miss out on new tools like this.
Appreciate it. I don't want to look dumb in front of the team.
You won't, I promise. It's probably just a few clicks to get started.
Cool. I trust you. If it saves me time, I'm all in.
It should. Better communication means less stress for everyone.
That's what I like to hear. Hey, switching gears, that movie, you sure you're up for it?
Yeah, let's see if our schedules match. It's a nice way to end a tough week.
Perfect. I'll check showtimes later. Gotta laugh off this office stress somehow.
For sure. Work hard, play hard, right?
Exactly. A funny movie might be just what we need.
Agreed. It's a good way to forget about deadlines for a bit.
Deadlines, don't remind me. I've got enough on my plate.
Same here. But a movie night sounds like a great escape.
It does. Hey, I've got a client call soon. Gotta run in a few minutes.
No worries. I've got my meeting coming up too. Catch up later?
Yeah, see you later. Have a good one, Alex.
You too, David. Take it easy today.
Always do. Talk soon, okay?
Bye for now. Good luck with your client call.
Thanks, and good luck with your meeting. See you around.
See ya, David. Have a great day ahead.
You too, Alex. Later.
Later, stay positive.
Always. Catch you at the next coffee break.
Sounds good. Take care until then.
Will do. See you soon.
Bye, David. Keep up the good work.
You too, Alex. Bye for now.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.